Hey, at Rerun we are building a multimodal time series database in Viewer, and today I want to show you a cool new feature that we built into the last release. And that feature is graph views. So starting now, you can log nodes and edges to Rerun, and the viewer visualizes those as node link diagrams automatically. And just as everything in Rerun, the graphs are time aware. So you can log different graphs at different points in time, and the viewer will update the layouts accordingly, which you can see here. So let's take a closer look at how this works under the hood. The graph view works just like you would expect a regular graph view to work. You can pan and zoom into the graph view, and you can hover over nodes to show more information. You can also customize how these graphs should look like. So one thing that you can do, for example, you can switch the labels off and switch on the labels, and you get nice text labels for each of these graphs. You can also change the size and the colors of these nodes. And what's interesting to see is that these layouts then will adapt accordingly. One thing that's super important to Rerun is the ability to visualize time-varying data. And just like that, graphs are time-varying too. So you can see the different evolutions of the graph in time. And as I said before, we achieved that by implementing a physics engine that simulates force-based layout on those nodes. And of course, you can always control this physics engine and tweak the parameters of the simulation to achieve the visual result that you want. In fact, our graph layout engine is so flexible that you can even produce something like bubble charts with it. And they also, of course, update over time. We've implemented all of this in Rust, so this runs at interactive rates even for larger graphs. This graph has around 6,000 nodes, and you can still move around and navigate it smoothly. And of course, also for time-varying graphs, you can change the layout of this graph at interactive rates. So we think that's pretty cool. We're very excited to see what you'll be building with this, and yeah, happy to hear from you.